Hi, I'm Chris, a solutions architect at Cominfo, here to tell you about one of our clients' journeys. As a leading professional services firm with a global footprint, our client faced multifaceted challenges that impeded their ability to maximize efficiency, deliver exceptional client experiences, and stay competitive. These challenges included data fragmentation, lack of actionable insights, and resource allocation. The solution came down to recognizing the transformative potential of analytics. Our client embarked on a comprehensive initiative to harness data as a strategic asset. Partnering with Cominfo as an analytics expert, we devised a three-pronged approach: data integration and centralization, predictive analytics for strategic insights, and real-time performance monitoring. After which, the impact of analytics transformation was profound, revolutionizing our clients' operations and positioning them for sustainable success, resulting in enhanced client value, operational excellence, and competitive advantage. This success story of our client serves as a testament to the transformative power of analytics in the professional services industry. By embracing data-driven decision-making, they not only overcame challenges, but also unlocked new opportunities for innovation, growth, and client value creation.